Good afternoon. George Cavaligos for HFT Bonds. Just like kind of yesterday, an instant replay. Market made higher highs this morning early on the, what was it, out of Europe actually again. And then we've seen basically sideways trade. We have another short-term double top on the 10-year at 126.29. Never broke out to the downside though. I think we need to take out, what was it, the dip after the auction at 21.22 area on the 10-year. And bonds actually made higher highs twice today. So it's again, we're back in that 3 steps higher, 2 back, and then the market's just sort of chopping around here. Looking at a very busy overnight session with a lot of data out of China and Japan, and also the Royal Bank of Australia monetary policy minutes tonight. Maybe we'll get some more fireworks. We've been seeing more volatility overnight than intraday at times, and probably see another one of those. Very little data here tomorrow. We got wholesale sales, no buyback. Fed's on a 4-day work week this week. And, people are long the market from the auctions. At least, I don't want to say people, the dealers are a little bit long. So any kind of new highs will bring in some selling. I also don't think it's going to work its way much lower because I still think there's some shorts left in the market too. So, I posted a chart to the subscribers today. Showed some nice symmetry in terms of, the corrective moves that we've seen in the market over the last month basically. That kind of projects to a grindy trade higher into next week, and then we'll see what happens from there. I think the markets probably are going through this big corrective phase. I think it's a C wave higher that we're working on here, and these corrective trades are tough. Volume was pretty light again, only 859,000 10-years and only 280,000 bonds. That's not the kind of raving bullish stuff you want to see. Again, yesterday we saw the market higher like this, similar volume. Open interest fell a little bit. What I'm almost thinking is I want to see a big rally and a big drop in open interest that'll tell me that A, the shorts got out, and that the market would become a bit vulnerable at that point again. Last night open interest in the 10-year fell, what, 18,000? Yeah, and 2,000 in the bonds. I want to see a big drop in open interest, like 60,000 in the 10-year. Tells me all the shorts got out. We're not there yet. I think we'll see kind of a quiet day tomorrow. I would not be surprised to see higher highs overnight with all this data out of the Far East again. And, take your profits and then step back and look for the dips to buy here in the States. That's a decent game plan, I think, for the next 4 or 5 trading days. And again, tomorrow it's going to be quiet here in the States, so, be careful. Don't lose your, hard-fought gains that we've seen today. I think I only did 2 trades today. And, they were decent. Not a bad, day. So, that's about it. Moving on. Have a great night. I'll see you tomorrow morning in the email and in the chat room.